Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and heading straight to Lock Screen. You need to find where Wallpaper Management lives, so tap Lock Screen or Wallpaper. Once there, look for Wallpaper Services, Dynamic Lock Screen, or any routine that changes images automatically. Make sure you're on the Lock Screen tab, not Home Screen, so you change the correct behavior. If you see Dynamic Lock Screen or Daily Wallpaper enabled, keep this screen visible. You'll disable it in the next step. Now disable the specific auto change features. Toggle off Dynamic Lock Screen and Daily Wallpaper. Go into Themes and turn off Auto Update or any sync that replaces wallpapers. Next, open Bixby Routines and pause or remove routines that set wallpapers automatically. Also check any third-party wallpaper apps and revoke their permissions or uninstall them. Once these sources are disabled, your lock screen will stop cycling images. Make sure to save. Finally, set a static image. Long press Home or go to Wallpapers, pick your preferred photo and apply it explicitly to lock screen only. Confirm and exit, then reboot the phone to ensure settings stick. If the lock screen still auto-changes, clear data for themes or the offending app, or boot into safe mode to identify third-party causes. If a Samsung service is stubborn, check for system updates, and as a last resort, reset app preferences. This usually stops unwanted automatic wallpaper changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.